Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can add voiceover on CapCut. So let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your CapCut. After opening your CapCut, now tap on the edit button that you can see right here. After tapping on it, now tap on new project. And now select the video that you want to edit. After selecting the video, now tap on add button that you can see right here. So in order to add the voiceover to this video, what you're going to do is now tap on the audio option that you can see right here. After tapping on the audio option, what you're going to do is scroll to the right just like this, and here you can see the option of record. Tap on it. And like this, you can record your voice in order to voice over to this video. So in order to record your video, what you're going to do is simply just tap on this blue button. And here you can see the timing. And now you can speak and voice over to your video just like this. And when you are done with the voiceover, simply just tap on this button again. And now your voice has been recorded. Tap on the tick button that you can see right here. And now here you can see your voiceover has been done. Your voice has been recorded and you have successfully voiced over this video. And when you're done with it and you want to export this, simply just tap on the export button that you can see in the top right corner right here. And like this, you can voice over to the video in CapCut. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.